Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall built-in apps in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to your start menu in your Windows 10 computer, and after that you have to type over there PowerShell. So I'm putting here PowerShell, and after that you have to right click on Windows PowerShell and click on this Run as Administrator. So click on yes now. After that you have to put some command over there. The first command is Get-AppxPackage and then enter from your keyboard. So now you will get all the inbuilt apps in your Windows computer. So you will get all the apps list. So now what you have to do, if you need to uninstall any apps from your computer, then you have to put simply same command like Get-AppxPackage, then space, then star, then package name. In my case I am going to remove this Skype app. So as you can see, so I have to put here Skype, then star, then space, then remove, then Apex package. So I will give you all this command on my video description, so you can copy this command from there, and after that press enter from your keyboard. So as you can see, it's removing. So now if I'll put the same command once again, as you can see the Skype is removed from my computer. So now I'm going to remove one more apps like print 3D. okay, so just put the same command over there and put here print 3D. So as you can see, it's removing and it's removed successfully. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.